Welcome to Ample Blazer's video tutorial. In this video tutorial we're going to be using Zendesk and we're going to show you how to create a drop down option in a Zendesk ticket. So if you're in a ticket and we wanted to create a option from a drop down for an invoice, so we're going to put refund or refunded in that drop down. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how that happens. Now what you can do is you can click on the admin cog. It will tell you to go to the admin center because things have changed. So you open up your admin center, you go to object and rules, and you've got tickets, you've got forms, you've got fields, tags, ticket statuses, settings. You want to go to fields, and you've got all these fields. So we want to go to invoice. So this is all fine. We want to go here where we've got field values for the invoice drop down. So what happens here is we just put in here refunded, okay, and the tag will become that. Once you've done that, you can click on save, and its changes saved. You can see that. What we'll do now is we will go back to our Zendesk instance. What I'd recommend is always press F5 to refresh things so that change that you've made has taken place. Now you can go into the ticket that you want to put that new field outcome in. So where were we? This one here. So now that this is finished, we can go into here and we put antivirus, the outcome, notification, invoice, refunded, and then we go solved. And that's how you would add an extra little field in one of the drop downs. Thank you for watching.